Hey guys, today I'm working with a Samsung side-by-side. So we've got freezer on one side, the refrigerator on the other side. Over here we've got the ice maker and water dispenser. You can do crushed ice, you can do cubed ice. Then we have water over here. You can do the water filter reset. Now I just installed a brand new water filter on it, and then it's going to come with an additional water filter also. I'll include that with the sale here. But I want to show you that everything on it works perfect. So with my little temperature gun here, you see in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement, if we can see that. So we'll go ahead and shoot it right inside the freezer here. Take a picture of that. So it's nice and cold in there. It's about -9, and it's set to -4. Over here we're supposed to be at 38. Yeah, and it's right in. When there's nothing in the fridge or refrigerator, it'll fluctuate a little bit. But as long as it's within just a few degrees, either up or down, you should be good. Then you fill it all up with all your food, and that also helps keep everything cold or frozen. I'm going to show you also that, let's see, we'll go, doesn't really matter, cubed. So it's dropped a couple batches of ice now. Turn the water on. So that works perfect. There you go. Let's do this over to crushed. That'll make a mess here. There you go. You can see everything on that works perfect. Doesn't have a whole lot of ice in there right now. It's only made, yeah, that was pretty much one batch. I dumped the first batch. You're always supposed to do that after you hook it up, but we'll get it wiped down, shined up, get the pictures, and of course put it up in the ad. I always do a video like this so you can see everything works great on it. I mean, that's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to list my items. All the shelves are in excellent condition. This entire fridge is in like new condition, and I'll shine it up. It's already been disinfected. Of course, it'll get a final wipe down with a 24-hour disinfectant with this circumstances we got going on right now. So we'll go ahead and get it listed up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.